YouTube, what's going on? I'm Justin from H3D Prints, here to announce our first build series. This is something that's been a long time coming, and I mean, honestly, being a 9-to-5er, I've been saving for this for a year and a half, 2 years. So let's get into this. We're going to build a high-temp printer that has a format of 600 by 1000. Right, Tootsie? Yeah? Meow? What about you, Sheldon? You down with this? Yeah? Yeah? You excited, dude? Yeah? Make big things? Oh, yeah. Yeah, see? The fur babies are excited. We're going to go over some of the stuff I bought and why I bought it. And some of the things I've changed through the last year and a half, 2 years I've been collecting this stuff. Let's see. Let's start with the motion control. We're on Duet 2 Wi-Fi external antenna because this can be a steel. This is gonna be a metal. Wow, brain fart. It's gonna be a metal construction. Duet 5 expansion board, and since we're going big, let's go with the Panel 7. 600 watt mean wall power supply. And as for now, I may change extruders through the time with this and play with different ones, but right now we got a Titan Aqua. To cool the Titan Aqua, got a submersible pump. Inkbird SSRs to cool the water because the size of this printer. We've got a huge transmission cooler, aka radiator. And we're going to make a fan shroud to hold 2 Noctua 24-volt fans. Talk about that in a second. Air circulation. Got a steel blower that should move more than enough air, suck it from the top and blow it in through the heater elements in the bottom. Let's go back to the Titan Aqua. Titan Aqua. Notice it has a copper heat block. Dun, dun, dun. Got the 65 watt E3D heaters and PT1000s. So, yeah, we're going to 500C on the hot end. We'll go 150 plus C on the bed. 200, or I won't say 200C, probably 100C on the heated chamber. Maybe 140 if we push it. Yeah. And this kind of evolved from other ideas I had. At one point, I made this Kraken clone. And I was like, hey, that'd be cool. Be able to print 4 colors. And yeah, that's where the 3 silicone tubing came from. And I'm like, cool, be able to print 4 colors. And then as time goes by and you actually have more rational thoughts, you start to go, hang on a second, that's 4 nozzles and knock stuff over. There's more issues that this will create. Not to say I won't use this for something. I actually made this. This is my own personal clone of a Kraken. We'll probably make some sort of low temp one in the future that we can play with this on and make something else that, hey, let's try this out and see if this works. But for high-end printing, Peak, Altum, whatever you want to print, I think that a single nozzle is going to be better. If you want to do more than a single nozzle, use dual extruders and separate them and do it that way. don't do it in a single extruder because you're just asking for problems. I have enough problems with my Ender 3 knocking support material and other stuff over and taking the prints out. So I think a single nozzle, especially with how big this printer can get, I think a single nozzle is going to be the best setup for it. So tomorrow we're going to go to the shop and actually start machining some of the Z-axis stuff. I'll show you the parts I have sitting there at the shop, and we will get going on this project. We'll call it Project 1. First project on H3D's YouTube channel. Hey YouTube, like I said when we were at the office, that I had more stuff stashed at the shop. So we're down at the shop right now. We're going to go over some of the stuff here, and then we're going to start making some chips fly. SBR 12 linear rails for the Z-axis. Like I said, it's 1,000 millimeters in Z. The rods, which I'm leaving in here so they don't get bent. MGN 12 for XY. Then 110 volt heated bed, and then 600 by 600 mic 6. Then we have NEMA 23 for the Z-axis, NEMA 17 for XY, Z lead screw top support, Z lead screw for the build plate. And then what we're working on is actually in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of the stuff moving around. We'll get it open and go over that stuff. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, these are going to be what build plate melts to, and then this one equal one. This is going to mount between that and that, like that. So, and then this will be out here. I think this should work. We'll figure it out as we go. Okie doke, let me get everything set up over at the mill and chop saw, and we'll get working. Okay, I'm going to cut this video off here. I'm trying to limit the videos to 8 to 10 minutes long, so we will pick up with the actual machining and stuff on Sunday on the next video. I will see you all then.